Hello everyone. Today we are going to be using tape diagrams again to organize our thinking, but we are going to be focusing on the word problems. You are going to be needing whiteboard and marker, pencil and paper, and a ruler to draw your tape diagram. Rose drew 7 pictures and Willie drew 11 pictures. How many pictures did they draw all together? So, step number 1, read. We read the problem. Now let's see what it means. If Rose drew 7 and Willie drew 11, those are the parts. Let's call them part A and part B. And then the question, how many pictures did they draw all together? This word, all together, is my clue. They are asking me for the total. The total is my mystery number. So now I'm going to draw my tape diagram. 7 plus 11 equals 18. And that's what I would write in my number sentence. 7 plus 11 equals 18. My statement would read, Rose and Willie drew 18 pictures all together. This first one was easy. You are going to be solving the next ones on your own. Darnell walked for 9 minutes to Lee's house. Then he walked to the park. Darnell walked for a total of 18 minutes. How many minutes did it take for Darnell to get to the park? So the first thing we need to do is read, and now we're going to analyze this word problem. Okay, get ready. Solve the problem on your own. Go. Let's start at the beginning. It says that Darnell walked for 9 minutes to Lee's house. That means that, is that my total? No, because he still has to walk to the park. So that's one of my parts. Part A is 9. Then it says, then he walked to the park. Do they tell me for how long? No, they don't. So part B would be my mystery number. And then they say, Darnell walked for a total of 18 minutes. So I know that my total is 18. How many minutes did it take for Darnell to get to the park? They're asking me for the time that it took for him to walk to the park. So let's see how this would look on a tape diagram. I have 9 plus mystery box equals 18. And in my number sentence, it would be 9 plus mystery number equals 18. If I count on, I would say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It took me 9 jumps to get from 9 to 18. So my mystery number is 9. And my statement would read, it took Darnell 9 minutes to get to the park. Let's do the next one. In a tank, there are some goldfish and 14 redfish. There are 19 fish in all. How many goldfish are there in the tank? It's time to get busy. Solve it on your own. So let's analyze this word problem. There are some goldfish. Do they tell me how many? No. So one of my parts, part A, is my mystery number. And there are 14 redfish. That's my other part. How do I know that these are parts? Because then it says there are 19 fish in all. That means that in this fish tank, there are 19 fish in total. 19 is my total. And then it asks me, how many goldfish are there in the tank? They're asking me about the mystery number, how many goldfish there were. Let's see how this looks in a tape diagram. I have my mystery box and 14, and then my total is 19. My number sentence would say something plus 14 equals 19. I'm going to count on 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5 jumps. It took me 5 jumps to get from 14 to 19. So my mystery number would be 5. And my statement would read, there are 5 goldfish in the fish tank. So guys, now it's your turn to do it. There are going to be 3 word problems today, 3 worksheets. And what you need to do is you need to really analyze the word problems to see if they're asking you about the total or one of the parts. See you there.